Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software new feature video. In today's video, we have added an invoice message field that will now show up on created invoices. Let's take a look. From inside your Jenesis software, let's go over to the toolbar on the left, scroll down to Agency, click there, and select All Locations. If you have multiple locations, you will need to complete this step for each location. Select your location and then scroll down until you see on the left-hand side the new Edit Invoice Message. Click there, add your invoice message, and then click Save. Once you've saved your message, and if the save pop-up comes up here, be sure to save it there. But since I've already had my message, it does not pop up for me to save. Once you've created your invoice message and saved it, you're now ready to create invoices with the new invoice message. Select a client. I'm going to select Miss Daisy Duck. I'll then scroll down to create an invoice. Once I save my invoice, go back and retrieve that invoice so I can now print or email my invoice. I should now see the new invoice message. You'll notice at the bottom left, this is a test invoice message. So any message that you decide to input in the new invoice message will now print at the bottom of every invoice created. As always, I hope you found this information helpful. And should you have any questions or need any help, always remember the helpful chat support icon at the bottom right of every Jenesis software screen, or all the way to the left, the bottom of your toolbar, clicking Resources and clicking Help, then selecting our YouTube channel. You'll be able to watch all of our helpful tutorial videos. Thank you.